It's a little too, what's the word? Round? No. In this video today, I'm going to show you a unique way to cut up your wood. Regular old miter saw. Bought this at a yard sale for 20 bucks. And what I've done is set it up on a skill table. Now, I don't recommend anybody do this. I do it. It's inherently unsafe because the saw doesn't have a guard on it. I got a lot of wood from a friend who I did a favor for, but the wood he delivered was just a little too long. These are all about 17 inches long. My wood burning stove only accepts pieces 15 inches or shorter. I prefer using this over a chainsaw for this kind of work because it's probably safer. It's easier, takes less time once I get going, just like an assembly line. This is probably not going to fit, and it doesn't. It needs to be split. On this nub, throw it in a bucket.
Some boy from Munich, and I travel all around. I've seen all the things a man has to see. I've gone homeward bound. I've been to Rio, I've been to Paris, I've been to LA.
Never drink and use machinery, ever. It's a little too, what's the word? Round? No, I don't know. Don't saw on knots if you can help it, because knots are naughty. Make sure you always wear ear protection around machinery, eye protection, hand protection. Keep kids out of the way. Kids are no fun working with heavy machinery. They're also not much fun at parties. So don't let your kids operate heavy machinery or be around when you do, even cutting the grass. And don't bring kids to parties. Every party needs a pooper. That's why they invented children. Now this is a piece of hickory. It's hard as can be. Work like a champ. So that's working with the miter saw. It's a handy little tool, and I don't recommend it for anybody but me. It's all right. I had to wipe the snot from my nose. Okay.
And I travel all around. I've seen all the things a man has to see, but now I'm homeward bound. I've been to Rio, I've been to Paris, I've been to LA. I've seen all the goals around the world, sunshine and skies of grey.